set of repair tools, you're gonna love this 180-in-1 portable toolbox. Whether you're fixing glasses, repairing keyboards, or disassembling phones, it's got everything you could think of. It comes with some handy bits that are magnetic, making it a breeze to pick up screws. The screwdriver it comes with is electric too, offering both forward and reverse rotation, and you can even adjust its torque. It's also equipped with various prying tools and tweezers for tech repairs. With this set, you can handle nearly any small device repair job. It's definitely a must-have for every guy's toolkit, and the link is right below the video. Set of repair tools